Welcome to Educate Bapusai Bhondi High School, Lonavla. Standard 7th History. Lesson number 4 Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. Video number 2. Hello students. In last video, we have studied how Maharashtra was before the times of Shivaji Maharaj, how village, kasbah, pargana were formed, and which other calamity they faced. Now we are going to study the work of Warkari movement, means the work of sense. Society were greatly influenced by blind beliefs and rituals. People had become fatalistic, means dangerous, and inert, means lacking the ability. They had lost all initiative. The conditions of the common people was miserable, means people were helpless. In such circumstances, the sons in Maharashtra endeavored, tried to do or effort, endeavored to inspire the masses. In Maharashtra, the tradition of sense, which began with Sant Jnaneshwar and Sant Namdev, was carried on by sons coming from various strata of the society. People from all strata of society were part of the Sant tradition. For example, Sant Chokhamela, Sant Goroba, Sant Sena, Sant Sauta, Sant Narhari, Sant Sheikh Muhammad, etc. Sant Chokhoba's wife, Sant Soirabai, and sister Sant Nirmala Bai, Sant Muktabai, Sant Janabai, Sant Kanhopatra, Sant Bahinabai Shirurkar, and other women were also among them. Pandharpur was at the center of the Sant movement. Vitthal was the object of their worship on the banks of the river Chandrabhaga at Pandharpur. The saints and pilgrims, means Warkari, used to rejoice. Their devotion, means bhakti. Their equality was propagated through bhajans, kirtans, and unity meals, means kala. Next, we'll look after the Sant Namdev. He was a great Sant of the Warkari movement. He was a skilled organizer. He performed excellent kirtans as well. He awakened the sense of equality in men and women belonging to all castes through the medium of kirtans. His pledge was नाचू कीर्तनाचे रंगी ज्ञानदीप लावू जगी. His Abhanga compositions are well known. Many sons as well as common people were influenced by his teachings. He went up to the Punjab propagating his thoughts. His compositions are included in the Guru Granth Sahib of Sikhs. He propagated the message of Bhagavad religion in all quarters. He built a memorial to Sant Chokhamela at Pandharpur. His work is unforgettable. Next, Sant Jnaneshwar. He was a great saint in the Warkari movement. He wrote the Bhavarth Dipika or Jnaneshwari, which elucidates the meaning of Sanskrit Bhagavad Gita. He also composed the Amrutanubhav. He preached the importance of the path of devotion through his works and compositions. He showed a simple way of worship and conduct which the common people could follow easily. He gave the prestige of religion to the Warkari movement. Though his life was spent in extremely adverse circumstances, he never lost the calm of his mind and never harbored bitterness. His Pasaidan in Jnaneshwari uplifts the mind. The poetic compositions of his brothers, Sant Nivrutti Nath and Sant Sopan Dev and sister Muktabai, are well known. Next, we'll look after Sant Eknath. He was a great sant of the Bhakti movement in Maharashtra. His compositions are many and diverse. They include Abhanga, Gaulana, Bharud, etc. He has stated Bhagavad Dharma in detail and in a simple manner. He has portrayed people's life in Bhavarth Ramayana through the story of Ram. He explained in Marathi the Bhakti part of the Sanskrit work Bhagavad. His Abhangas show the warmth of devotion. He demonstrated through his own conduct that there is no need to renounce worldly matters for attaining the highest truth. Parmarth. He was a teacher of the people in the true sense of the term. He believed that our Marathi language was inferior to no other language. He asked the Sanskrit scholars forcefully, संस्कृत वाणी देवे केली तरी प्राकृत काय चोरापासूनी झाली. He heavily criticized those who hated other religions. Next, we'll look after Sant Tukaram. Sant Tukaram, he belonged to Dehu near Pune. His compositions or abhangas are very pleasing and lucid, reaching the greatest poetic heights. Sant Tukaram's Gatha is a precious treasure of the Marathi language. He asks us to find God by showing love to the unhappy and the tormented in the following lines. जे का रंजले गांजले त्यासी म्हणे तो आपुले, त्यासी म्हणे जो आपुले तोची साधू ओळखावा, देव तेथेची जाणावा. With this viewpoint, he threw in the river Indrayani the documents of the loans that people had borrowed from him and freed many poor families from the bonds of loan. He criticized the hypocrisy. Hypocrisy means backbiting and superstition in the society in very strong terms. He stressed that devotion means bhakti should be coupled with morality. His teachings can be summed up as जोडो निया धन उत्तम व्यवहारे, उदास विचारे वेच करी. Some dogmatic means family putting forward one's opinion as true. People opposed the social of awakening that he had undertaken and sank his abhangas in the Indrayani. Sant Tukaram faced the opposition with noble courage. Sant Tukaram disciples and associates were of different caste and creeds. They include Mauji Mali, Gavnar Sheth Wani, Santaji Jagnade, Shivba Kasar, Bahinabai Sirurkar, and Mahadaji Pant Kulkarni. An important task completed by Gangaram Pant Mawal and Santaji Jagnade was writing down the abhangas of Sant Tukaram. Next, we'll look after the work of sons. Sons gave the message of equality to people. They taught humanity. They preached that people should live together in harmony, unity, and love. Their work resulted in social awakening. They taught how to live in the face of foreign invasions, drought like situation, or any other natural calamities. Their teachings proved to be a good support for people. Their work created self confidence among the people of Maharashtra. There was a deterioration of ethics and religion in the society. At such a time, the sons came forward to protect the society. They taught the true meaning of religion. They showed the path of devotion by living amongst people and sharing their joys and sorrows. Some orthodox and dogmatic people opposed to them, but the sons believed that facing this opposition was a part of their duty. Sant Tukaram has explained the mark of a true son in these words. तुका म्हणे तोची संत सोशी जगाचे आघात. The sons elucidated the complex dharma of the scholars, shastris, and pandits in the language of the people. They prayed to God using simple everyday terms that took the view that all are equal before God. They taught society to do away with the pride arising out of caste and varna and see everyone as God's children. A characteristic of the sons was that they did not forget their duties on the path of devotion. They found God in their work. Sant Sauta said, Kanda mula bhaji, अवघी विठाई माझी. This statement refers to farm work but applies to work in all walks of life. The sons carried on with their duties even as they were engaged in devotion, teaching, and composing verses. They developed the moral sensibilities of the society. Next, we look after the Ramdas Swami. Ramdas Swami, he was from Jamb in Marathwada. He explained the importance of physical fitness to the people. मराठा तितुका मिळवावा, महाराष्ट्र धर्म वाढवावा. This message of Ramdas Swami is famous. He gave practical education and lessons in good conduct. Through his works like Dasbodh, Karunashtak, Manache Shlok, he stated the importance of people's movement and organization and founded the Samartha Sampradaya chapel was center of Sampradaya. He propagated the worship of Ram and Hanuman. He traveled far and wide to propagate his thoughts. Next, inspiration for independence during foreign rule. Such was the political, social, cultural situation, etc. in Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. In that period, Maharashtra was under the control of Adil Shahi and other powers. It was not independent. Even so, some personalities and streams of thought were dreaming of freedom. Among them, Shahaji Maharaj, who is considered to be a visionary of Swaraj, was on the forefront. In this full chapter, means Maharashtra before times of Shivaji Maharaj, in first video we studied about village, kasbah, pargana, the calamity of a famine, and in the second video we studied about the works of Warkari movement, Sant Namdev, संत तुकाराम, संत ज्ञानेश्वर, संत एकनाथ, समर्थ रामदास, inspiration for independence during foreign rule. So be connected till the next video and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.